What up, what up, what up? NGB the gang, you already know what's going on. It's your boy, NGB Jordan, back with another video. We're pretty much in a trade. You guys know I was pretty much not finding any good trades yesterday. I'm kind of happy I sat out today for the most part. But then I saw a little opportunity. I saw a little resistance pop up. So I decided to go short on it. I was also looking at the S&P 500. And you guys know I was talking about how it kind of looked like it was losing a little bit of momentum and everything. So yeah, we're in a trade right now. We're up 20 bucks off of it, which is great. And if it drops through this support right around here, then it's just going to possibly keep going down, which will be absolutely great for the account. And yeah, you guys already know it's good. Okay. Well, no one's in the stream right now, but pretty much everyone who watches the stream afterwards will hear that first part with you saying, "Hey, everybody." Okay. So hopefully we can get a break of the support here. Hopefully, but you guys already know it's good. I'm just going to be in here chilling, doing my thing, letting the market move and make me some money. Let's make some money today, people. Oh, I wanted to watch those videos. Let me watch them. I want to see Mikey Chin surprises his parents with a new home. Interesting. Just let me know when you want to hit this.
The primary reason why I came back to New York is what's about to happen today. Let's go to the haunted barn first. Alright, okay, so I got new locks put in, and apparently they made two different keys for two different locks. I thought it was the same key, so I gave one of the keys away. Now I can get into
For all you guys that don't know, Mikey Chin is my absolute hero. Like, he's an absolute behemoth to me. Like, I would love to live that good Mikey Chin life. You know what I'm saying? Like, he pretty much just... Hold on, what's the white... Okay. What is that? Okay. No, it's not even right here. It's, like, right here. Am I tweaking? Okay. But yeah, he's pretty much an absolute behemoth. He just travels the world and eats food, really good looking food, and gets paid for it. Like, I mean, who wouldn't want to do that? I mean, you pretty much wouldn't want to do that if you just hate food. And if you hate food, like, I feel like me and you really can't get along like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're choosing not to eat food, that's one thing. But, like, everybody likes good food. You know what I'm saying? Everybody likes good food.
not to wake up the ghost this early anyway.
Mikey Chin is such a low-key millionaire, too.
New York after college, and I spent about 15
Like, if you met him and just saw him around, you definitely wouldn't assume that he has so much money, but he's definitely just sitting on a, like, pot of gold like a leprechaun.
wherever you go, we go. So they followed me to New York City, and they started getting involved with volunteer work and nonprofit as well. And this is after they sold their Chinese restaurant in Quincy, Illinois. And so the nonprofit doesn't pay, right? So it's all volunteer work. And at the time, I was living in a basement in Brooklyn for, I think, like the rent was like $500 a month or something like that. There's no AC, and I'm pretty sure that basement apartment was illegal because you're not supposed to rent out your basement. The neighborhood wasn't safe. I think this was Chinatown, Brooklyn. Like one day I got a call and my landlord was like, "You better come home right now because the police are here because someone broke into your apartment." First of all, if you're a thief or a potential thief, why are you breaking into a crummy basement apartment in Brooklyn? Not gonna find anything. So they didn't find anything, but they trashed my place and nothing was stolen because I had nothing. So after they moved to New York, they ended up donating most of their money to various nonprofits, and their passion, same as mine, was to bring awareness to the human rights atrocities happening in China right now. If you don't know, there's basically no freedom of religion, freedom of belief in China. So any group, including Christians, Tibetans, Falun Gong practitioners, which me and my parents are, political dissidents, anybody that wants democracy,
We getting a little pop up.
insane persecution and basically the attempted genocide of Uyghurs and Muslims in China. So all these groups face
A
systematic
little bit of a
persecution.
pop-up.
Nobody knows about it. So
I really wanted to break this resistance. I mean, this support. That would be
such a
amazing.
crazy situation. If you go and Google China organ harvesting or China Uyghur persecution, Falun Gong persecution, is still such a prevalent issue that does not get enough attention. Our family in general didn't have a lot of money, so I ended up moving in with them. All right, pause in the story. I gotta go meet somebody. You guys know Sophie. So I mentioned in a previous video, got a new place for my parents, and Sophie's been putting together furniture and all the construction. How's it looking? So this is what the outside looking in. This is Sophia.
Ooh, that's nice. How long do I reckon the 30K challenge will take me? Being realistic, 3 years. 3 years. Being realistic, about 3 years. Yeah. It's gonna getting to 1,000 to around 3K will be not too long. That probably won't take too long, honestly. It really just depends on where my mindset's at, and then it'll start snowballing from that. But just considering the relative hardships and kind of things like that, 2-ish to 3 years. It really depends on a lot of factors, but I would say, yeah. I would say my safe answer would be about 3 years. Yeah, about 3 years. Yep. It's only because it's starting with $300. Like, you know what I'm saying? So everything, oh yeah, we're starting to get that push down. You can see we're up $24 real quick. I like it. But yeah, probably I would say about 3 years would be my safe answer. I don't want to be too optimistic. You feel me? And shout out 3DP. Like, what's up, man? Hope you're doing well. 3DP. I don't know. Every time I like see 3DP, I don't know what makes me think about it. It makes me think about like 3D, like something that's 3D, and it also makes me think about like 1080p or like 70p. Like, I don't know how you came up with that name. I would be very interested to know like where that name came from. But yeah. Because I had to learn Worm Squirm's name. Like, I did not understand like how he possibly came up with the name Worm Squirm. And now that he explained it to me, that it's from like Call of Duty and like, you know, camping and like squirming on the ground like a worm, like, I get it now. So yeah, hey, I'm trying to hear the origin story of 3DP. You feel me? Like, what is the 3DP like origin story? You know?
Wow, the color looks great with this bedroom.
You in here early too, man. It normally takes a while for people to start coming in. You know what I'm saying? Everything start getting a little lit. But yeah, shout out to you, man. And then you already know. Let me know what you've been trading, if you've been trading anything, or how your trading day's been going. Wow, this is his parents' place that he bought?
I knew Sophia's husband, and we're working on the ramen shop together. So Sophia's showing us this building, and I was like, hasn't been built yet. It was like just skeleton. And I came, and I'm like, this would be great for my parents. Like, I've been looking for a good, beautiful home for them for like a year or 2 years, and wasn't able to find one. And this one just came up, and it's in the heart of Flushing. So we locked down on this unit, and I was just waiting for this whole thing to get built. It's still not completely finished, the building, but the units look beautiful. Let me show you the balcony.
Yeah, sorry, gotta shake my luxurious hair, you know what I'm saying? I don't even think about it anymore, but yeah, my hair it's a little luxurious, you know what I'm saying? You know, I got flow game. You know what I'm saying? I got a little flow game. Mm-hmm.
So if you guys need a place to live in New York, look for Sophia. You didn't even have an Instagram account. You do now, right? It's S Sparks NYC. So this is the final walkthrough. I'm gonna go to my parents after this and bring them here. Oh, awesome! And then give it to them. Exciting! That is my big gift. All right, well, thank you.
Let's see. Y'all know Mikey Chan always eating something crazy.
Yeah. So is so good. This is so good. Try. This is so good.
Shrimp flavored ribs? What the?
Yeah, right?
What is a shrimp? A shrimp flavored rib? Oh yes, we're getting that drop. Hold on. Oh yeah. Yeah, keep dropping. Just keep going. I hope it's not like a trend type of thing that's pulling up right now. Let's see. If it did, it would come from here first. Ah, there is one. So I would really want it to break below like this general level. That would be nice. But in general, I'm loving this position. Like 3DP, you already know like I'm loving this position right now. Just because at the least, like maybe come down, hit EMA on the 1 hour, like, you know what I'm saying? Something like that. Hit EMA on the 4 hour. It's just a bunch of rejection. It's like a downtrend that we're kind of in. Like it's a possibility for me to make a lot of money possibly off this trade. And I already know it. I can see that opportunity from a mile away. Could it reverse? Obviously, but that's the market. You know what I'm saying? That's just the market.
And a little bit salty, but really complements the color.
This is why people need me in their lives. So the food guys look out for me when I go somewhere. Thank you. Those are really good.
They say you are the food god, Mikey. Why can't I be the food god? I mean, I guess I don't be eating any food on YouTube like that. But I'm trying to be the food god. You feel me? Just travel around and just eat. Like, eat. Try to find the best foods for y'all and just trade in stocks. Like, tell me that wouldn't be the absolute life. Like, an absolute behemoth life. Like, you wake up, you know what I'm saying? You check the market. You're like, okay, like, I'm up like 6K. Okay, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Then you go, you film you eating like some really nice stuff. Everybody gets to see you eating some, you know what I'm saying? Some like crazy Korean barbecue. I'm trying to go to Korean barbecue tomorrow. I've been really craving it. So I'm definitely going to Korean barbecue tomorrow. No question. But you know what I'm saying? Like, would that not be the life? You know what I'm saying? You just eat. You make money by eating and you on the market too? Come on. Does it really get better than that?
Fantastic. Lunch number one. Don't tell my parents I'm eating off before I go eat with them.
Lunch number one.
It's on the bottom. That's why it's called shrimp and ribs. So the shrimp was awesome.
Yeah, the shell fried really well, and then you can eat just full bites, and full flavor comes out.
You don't want a shrimp?
I have one. They're so good.
Oh, big news. Me and Sophie are getting a dog together.
Snowball.
Stop naming dogs after food.
No, that's what I do. That's what I'm saying.
All Asians name their dogs after food. Can we name a dumpling? Can we name a dumpling? We'll name a dumpling, Chelsea.
Dumpling.
Cole adopt a dog or something?
If y'all don't know his other channel, his main channel is strictly dumpling.
I'm not here.
Even when you're here, I'll take it.
No, when I'm here, I want the dog with me. Welcome to my neighborhood. This is where me and my parents live.
Oh, I see what it is now. Oh, when I see the camera is so small. I thought the Adidas sign was like something weird.
Unfortunately, it just doesn't.
Because I'm seeing it from a very far distance.
For about $200.
It makes sense now. Okay.
Maybe 6 to 10 times a month. So I was bringing about 1,000, maybe 2,000 a month maximum. And that work wasn't even really consistent. And for the nonprofit job, it requires actually a lot of travel out of my own pocket. So that's where majority of the money went. So when I started doing YouTube, like, of course, didn't make money right away. When some money did start coming in, when I got my first actual, like, livable paycheck, I got my first apartment right here.
Okay, the history of Mikey Chin.
Right, that's where my first apartment was. And it was crazy.
Dang, girl.
Going in there, and there was a studio available for like $1,000 a month, and there was a 1-bedroom available for $1,500 a month. And I was gonna opt for the studio because I wasn't sure I could afford $1,500 a month consistently. Of course, at that point, like my apartment in Brooklyn, I think they tore it down because it was illegal, and I really want to finally get out on my own. So that's where I lived for about a year. But this is the place. This is the place. Let me show you. I mean, we've been inside. I showed you guys the inside many times when I go home and eat. This is where me and my parents lived for a long time. After that was my move to California. And then from California, I moved up to, I got a house upstate, and then I moved to Seattle, and now I'm here. But ever since I started to do okay for myself, I wanted to find my parents place because the apartment, it's okay. It's not a bad apartment. It's not great. It's a livable apartment, but I really wouldn't call it home. So we have Filipino neighbors upstairs, and guys, you know how much I love the Philippines. I love the people, but you guys karaoke a lot. I mean, that's like night and day. That apartment is definitely not.
That karaoke, bruh. I'm trying to go to some, bruh. I'm just saying. Let's look at the market too while I say this stuff. But I'm trying to go to a nice, like, you know what I'm saying, like Korean, Japanese karaoke. You get you a few drinks or something. And you know what I'm saying, you get you some nice like barbecue, like some Korean barbecue, or you know what I'm saying, some nice just food or something, some sake. And you know what I'm saying, you just get on that stage with that karaoke stage, and you just you know, they be going hard. Like they be going hard. Like I feel like they really be having a good time. Like I feel like that would be a great way to spend a Friday night. And I'm not like the type of person, like I don't really like club scenes or anything like that too much. Like it's not really my vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't like people stepping on my shoes, all that. Like nah, like all that's just not for me. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I'm not in college anymore. I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like the party life is behind me. Basically, is what I'm saying. And you know what I'm saying? But I feel like that whole like Asian like karaoke stuff like that's pretty. That sounds like a good time. Like I get up there and I start singing some Whitney Houston or something. Y'all don't want me to be singing no Whitney Houston now. You feel me? I be going crazy, chat. I be going crazy. Let me get back to the video before I start really singing some Whitney Houston on here. Cause I will turn on some. Well, oh no, I'll probably get copyright, won't I? That's lame. Or I wonder if I could turn it on like actually like karaoke, so it's just like the beat, and I wouldn't get like copyright strike. We might do some karaoke tonight, chat. I'm gonna be thinking about it. We might have to run some karaoke tonight, and hopefully this can continue down. But you can see we have a red candlestick here. It's already broken like its first support. We have kind of like a downwards trend coming down here on the 5-minute, and like we're gonna basically see what happens with that. Either way, I'm thinking from a longer term standpoint, I'm loving this short. And yeah, I really like the idea of this short possibly. Could it go against me? Yes, but you know what I'm saying? At least I should be able to take a little profit. Like let's say it even holds this trend. Like I should hopefully be able to take some profit, but I really would like it to be able to break this trend, to be honest. That would be amazing. And the way S&P 500's moving, it might happen.
Dion coming from upstairs. I mean, they're singers, but yeah, what up? How you doing, buddy? Thank you. But you definitely don't get peace and quiet here. So ever since I was able to do okay for myself, I've been looking for a place for them to move to that could actually be a home, you know? And they're very particular. So I
already know Mikey Chen not gonna hit me with a copyright strike. He literally just does not seem like the type of person that would do that. And why, like, man, bro, I'm one of your biggest fans, bro. Don't hit me with a copyright strike because I'm showing people yo video. Shout out Mikey Chen. If y'all want to see more of his content, he be eating food and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Mikey Chen, Strictly Dumpling. Hold on, oh, there's more food. Oh, this is his mama's food. Yo, mama. No, you talking about mama. I talk about your mama. Yo, mama. We not about to do this. That looks pretty good. Like that's homemade. That's pretty crazy for like homemade food, though.
Good fish. Make some mean salmon. Shrimp. Definitely getting my fill of vegetables. 多吃菜少吃肉。为啥？
因为你在节目上吃，在餐馆吃太多了，是不是？野生的。野生的。
野生的。野生的好吗？
当然野生的好，野生的你认为要做一辈子。
Not just salmon, wild salmon.
别傻，别傻，就是说是两个人互相照顾一点还是好嘛。
一个人挺高兴的。
I'm dead. I didn't know that. Like I've never seen Mikey Chen's parents. I guess they want him to tie the knot and get him a girl and get tied down and get married and all that good stuff.
Wife-seeking conversation. Private talk.
A few moments later.
Making mochi balls.
All right, that's enough, Mikey Chin. Oh wait, the parents gotta see the crib.
可以上网的，对。
这是他本人带的。
对，女生带的。
Oh, this is happy. This is making my heart warm, yo.
这个设计都挺。
Like, cause y'all saw the apartment that they were in before, and now they're like in here, like, and they don't even seem like. See, like the beautiful thing about it to me is, like, they don't even seem like materialistic people. You know what I'm saying? You got to realize too, they're living in New York, so like New York is very expensive. So the apartment they had before, it probably wasn't like. It's still like, even though it wasn't like nice really or anything, it probably wasn't cheap at all. Yeah, he's getting his parents a place. That's what's up. They're probably like, dang. And it's cool because, like I said, like they're not materialistic people. That's what's up. I hope to be able to bless my parents one day. That would make me extremely happy. So it's just kind of cool. Like I'm living through Mikey Chin right now. What a goat. Like can we get a clap for Mikey Chin, please? Like what an absolute behemoth. The bathroom floor gets heated. Come on. You get out the shower and it's warm on your feet. You ain't got no cold toes. That's nice. Y'all gotta realize this is like New York. Like this is a nice apartment. For New York? Anywhere else, like I mean, it's nice, like the finishes and everything, but it's small. But like that's what's up. Alright, Mikey Chin's done. You see his mom giving him a C-19 mask kiss. Gotta love it. What a beautiful thing. Now back to the charts, people. I know why you're here. Back to the charts. But you say you're trying to hit a chug? I heard that. Okay. You ready? Do. Clank. That was a beautiful video. I don't know if y'all like how y'all feel, but to me that was very heartwarming, and that was just beautiful. Like, does it really get much better than that? Like, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, you grow up, you make a bunch of money, and then you get to bless your parents who did everything they could to make sure that you could grow up and be somebody with your life. Like, I feel like that's every, not every person's dream, but that's a lot of people's dream. And, to a degree, like, that's my dream. Like, my parents are doing very well, but, like, shoot, they can always do better. You always want to, do that next step up. You always want to, like, I feel like every parent wants to see their kid do better than they did. And then every kid wants to see their eventual kids be even better than they did, and it continues to cycle. And then overall, you have a family structure that's, really not only like powerful, influential, ooh, all of that, but you know what I'm saying? All of that good stuff. But you know what I'm saying? My family already got that power, though. We like the Obamas out here. I'm just playing. But you know what I'm saying? I'm sure Obama would love my mama. He tried them chess squares, he'd be going crazy. He'd be like, dang, these things good. He'd be like, dang, who came in with the chess squares? He'd be like, because they be smacking. They be.
Your mama's watching?
I don't know. My mom could be watching. If you are, Mom, you're probably watching this on the TV. So you probably couldn't comment. But
Some chess squares?
Mom pops into the videos, pops into the streams every now and then.
Mama, going when you're watching, can you make me some chess squares?
She got her orders lined up. You know what I'm saying?
I need some chess squares.
You need to stop. You can't be making demands around here now. You know who doesn't get chess squares? People that make demands for them. Yeah, that'd be nice. You know, you hit her with a little, hey, like, you know what I'm saying? If you ever have any time, like, I really, really enjoyed those chess squares. Like, they were really good. And, like, if you know what I'm saying, could make me some sometime or whenever you have some, if you could send them my way, that would be much appreciated. She'd be like, yeah, yeah.
I really love your chess squares and I'm craving them so much.
Oh, my God.
So if you could make me some.
Okay. You about to be last on the list. You put yourself last on the list with that. You was too demanding.
I want some chess squares.
Well, dang. Dang. But yeah, y'all. Y'all already know. Let me know if y'all trading anything. If you are looking at any pairs, y'all got any idea what y'all think's going on in the market, any news, you know, all of that. Throw it in there, chat. You know what we here for. You know what we doing. I ain't playing with y'all anymore, chat, because I know y'all can carry it yourselves. Like, I got my boy JMC, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy 3DP, got my boy Squirm Worm. Like, they the real goats out here, so they really setting the standard now. Like, I don't even have to do it all myself no more, which I very much appreciate. And it's great. But yeah. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. Like I said, I wanted this to basically be like a Reddit chat room for people to just safely talk about stocks, not be talking anything crazy like we're going GameStop call options. Oh, I said it. I was talking last stream. I was like, do you guys think I can go a whole stream without mentioning GameStop call options? And I already failed. The stream's been going on for 26 minutes. And I have already failed at that. But that's fine. It's not like I was trying not to. But it is kind of funny. Like, I think I can't go an entire day without saying GameStop call options. It's like you know how back in the day, like, people would just be like YOLO? Like, instead of using the word YOLO, I just say GameStop. Like, I say GME call options, Dogecoin to the moon. That's pretty much what I say. But, you know, I guess it's just a part of my lingo. You feel me? It's just a part of the lingo. Alright, we getting a little bounce. But hopefully this can keep going short. I'm actually going to remove this drawing here. Let's see how S&P was looking at for the day. I didn't see how it really finished. So let's peep that real quick. See, S&P got completely smashed. It was a little annoying because AUD USD was kind of moving with it. And S&P 500 got kind of smashed today. And it didn't go with it, which was kind of annoying. But that's fine, because you guys know I want the stock market to, like, I want it to just tank. Like, I want it to tank so I can buy. I want to buy. Like, that's all I'm trying to do. I bet Bitcoin went down today. Yep, it did. Oh, yeah. Keep dropping. Drop. Oh, yeah. I'm going to get some good positions today. Like, this is that year where I feel like I need to just settle down, you know what I'm saying? Bring out the ramen noodles, all of that. You save up all your money. You save up all your profits from trading and everything. And then you can really, like, put a whole bunch in for your long-term trades. Hey, what up, Worm Squirm? My boy, I was just talking about you, like, maybe, like, 5-10 minutes ago or something. So SQQ today at 42. Okay. I see you. Wait, then went all into TQQ? Wait, you went short or you went long? Hold on. Let's look at that. TQQ. I'm assuming you went short. Right? Or, I mean, you could have went long, but, like, I mean, you would have been real confident since, like, that big red candlestick. You went in TQQ at 52.13. Okay, so we're pretty much, like, there. Long? Okay, you're long. 52.13, long. Okay. I mean, this is a zone. But it's a big zone. I mean, it's not bad. I would say it's not bad. It's not bad. But you do have to realize, though, the market does seem a little... it's a little negative, my guy. I'm not saying that's bad, though, because there's a lot of... I see what you see. Like, I see what you see exactly. Like, there's a lot of support in here. So there could definitely be a little bounce, like, for sure. Like, a little bounce is probably... Honestly, a little bounce is probably inevitable before, like, yeah, call me crazy, but it's on support. Bro, you're not crazy at all, bro. I see the vision, bro. You're seeing this right here. You're seeing this zone right here, and you wanted to buy in at this zone right here. Are you gonna get out relatively fast though? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like somewhere in this zone is where I would be trying to get out. You know, just to be safe. Oh, there's a gap too. If you guys don't know, I say it every time I see one. Gaps in the market get closed. Like 80% of the time, gaps in the market get closed. So, me seeing this gap, I like it. I like it. I kind of like it. Stop loss, I'm assuming, right under the support. Looking for a nice 5% gain. May get out then depending on the news. Okay, I like it. I like it. And you got support right under, I mean, you got a stop loss right under support, right? If you got stop loss, honestly, that's a great trade. If you have stop loss right under support, you're looking to get in for your 5%. You already know where you're getting out and everything. And there's a gap, like, sounds like money. Let me quit playing. Let me quit playing. Let me quit playing. Oh, RSI's looking nice. Bro, I can peep. RSI is looking nice. Ooh. You under that 30 on the RSI, bro. My boy Worm Scorpions, like, go, bro. Let's go, Worm. See, I love when you come in and you talking that real. That's what I'm talking about. Like, I don't want to hear people coming in talking about that GameStop call option. None of that, bro. We're not trying to hear that. Like, that's all jokes. You know what I'm saying? But, like, we're really here to, like, actually make money. And, like, these are, you know what I'm saying? This is what I get. It's on support. I love it. It's on gap. I love it. Long-term trend, you already see this is clearly a demand zone. I love it. RSI, it's under, 30%. It's under 30%, which means it's undersold. I love it. Worm Squirm. We just came up with 3 reasons as to why that should pop up a little bit. I love it. Good stuff, my guy. That's why I mess with you, bro. That's why I mess with you, bro. He's a GOAT in this game. He's a GOAT in this game. Don't y'all play with my boy Worm. Don't y'all play with my boy Worm. You play with my boy Worm, it's over. Like, we throwing hands. You play with my boy Worm, it's over because this boy is trading right now. As long as he's got his risk management on point, every year after year, he's gonna make a little money. You feel me? And that's really what we're here for. We're here to make some money and talk about the market so we can make some money. We're here to make money. That's bottom line. That's bottom line. But yeah, I like it, Worm. I like it, Worm. You can see I'm short AUD USD. We got up $25. Not bad. Really, the market's been consolidating. I've kind of been in a consolidatory type of you know what I'm saying, type of move for the entire day, but we're just gonna see what happens. I have stop loss here. Honestly, before I go to sleep, I might make it a little tighter, but I don't know. I think I lose $40 if it hits stop, which is fine. $40. That's nothing for the account. We're at what, 400, about like $480 or so right now. Yeah, because we're up 25. So yeah, we're at about $480. So, but if this does decide to really start breaking down, I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna definitely let it run, and I'm gonna close that deep in the 500s. You feel me? Deep in the 500s, because if you look, let's say on the hour, you know what I'm saying, that's a ton of margin for profit here, all up in here. Yep. It comes down, tries to, you know what I'm saying, do all that. Yeah, it's a lot of margin for profit, but we just gonna have to wait, see what happens, you know what I'm saying, that kind of thing. But shout out my boy Worm. That's a great trade. He said, you already know I have a stop loss. I was saying, my boy is a GOAT. He's a GOAT in this game, for real. Yeah, I didn't hear anything about the Fed today either. I think the market is priced with the current rates. I think it is. And I think that's probably why it's going down too. Like, people can act like, I think people really are just so used to the stock market going up that whenever they see a little bounce, they're adept to buy into it. But I feel like eventually, like, that's going to end, and, like, people are actually going to realize the stock market is a thing that goes, whoa, wait, hold on. You mean the stock market can go up and down and sideways? Like, so I think once people really get it in their heads that the market can go down, then I think that this thing might start going down. It might start going down. Hey Dre, I'm about to finish my little sip.
Oh, me too, Jay. What a coincidence.
Okay. This is a good Thursday night though. I'm excited for the stream today, you know what I'm saying? Just talking some stocks. Watching this move, it's going pretty well right now. Could it reverse? Yeah. I'm already seeing this. I'm already seeing this resistance. Could it possibly turn into a support? Yes, we'll be looking out for that. I already see it. I already know what's coming. You feel me? So if it gets too out of whack, I'll definitely probably just cut for a mini profit. But I really do want to let this run. I want to let it run, if possible. But it was weird, bro. Somebody came in, they said something about like the Fed was supposed to be saying something today. Like, let me see. I didn't see anything go crazy like Fed news would do. Like, I'm looking at it though. Fed is setting out to kill inflation. Yeah, we already know that. Minutes show the Fed is ready to rise rates. Oh wow, big surprise. Like, we already knew this. Like, let me go on CNBC. Oh, here it is. He was right, bro. Here's the report, y'all. Okay. Wait. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know I still be kind of new to this streaming stuff. There we go. Fed's Bullard says inflation could get out of control, so action is needed now. It's like we already knew the Fed was trying to go crazy on this, though. Like, this isn't new news, so this is Bullard. He's probably got a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? Maybe put some VVS chains on him or something. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. Those guys wear suit and ties. I don't blame them. I probably would be, too. Once you're on, be surprised at it. But we will have even more inflation. With this calls for aggressive Fed action. This is already priced into the market. You can tell. That's why it didn't move. I think this was already priced into the market for sure. We got this little trend trying to pull up. We'll see what's going on with that. I'll be right back. Hey Dre, I'm gonna probably grab another brew too. So $23. I'm expecting a little pull up, guys. Like, you know what I'm saying? We're a little bit in the profit. This has been all of today. All of today has been this. Just this ugly consolidation. And then we finally had the break to the downside. So, you know what I'm saying? Any type of movement is just positive to me right now. I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, but also, everybody, I appreciate all the love y'all really been showing on the channel and everything, for real. Like, I really do appreciate the love. Like, shout out Wormskirm. Shout out 3DP. You already know. NASDAQ has pretty nice wedge pattern. Oh, really? Let's see what's going on with NASDAQ. Is this the wedge you're talking about? Yep. I'm assuming this is the wedge you're talking about. You like that technical analysis real quick for you right there? A little of this. Hold on, let me do it. Let me get my Elliott Wave 5. A little of this, maybe. Hopefully. And then a little You know what I'm saying? Yep, that's the wedge. Yep. There we go. That's how you know too, like Worm Squirm is nice because I can tell like you definitely know your like technical analysis. So it's nice. Is honestly not too often that like I can talk to somebody and they'll just say like, hey, look at this. This pattern's right here, and not even say a time frame. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like get what you're saying. So I feel like, bro, we kind of, you know what I'm saying? We kind of, I feel like we think alike to a degree. You know what I'm saying? I don't think we trade alike. I think our traits are probably very different. We trade different things for sure. But our mindset is the same, and that's really all that matters. So I could see definitely a bounce off of here, which may be bad for my AUD trade, possibly. It just depends on if it'll move with NASDAQ, which it might. But yeah, I see that wedge. But it could also, you know what I'm saying, break out of this wedge to the upside too. What are you thinking, Worm? Do you think it's gonna break to the upside, downside? It's the same kind of general like, is the market moving up? Like, is the market moving down? Kind of, you know what I'm saying, conversation. It looks like it's definitely trying to at least contest this. We're gonna just see what happens. We're definitely gonna get our answer on stream. Yep, to the upside. Okay. Okay. We'll see what happens. I can see it pushing to the upside too, just because there's a lot of support under there. There's a lot of support under there on NASDAQ. So that makes a lot of sense for it to make that kind of move. Bro, I swear I have the squeakiest. Oh, 3DP's in here. Did I leverage my AUD USD buys? No, I didn't really leverage them now. And I'm short AUD. I'm short. My entry was here about 7195. Now we're at like 7183. I'm not sure where. Like, if I was going to cut this, I would maybe consider cutting it somewhere around here. Take a small loss, but if I win, I'm gonna try to win big. But nah, not too much leverage. Nothing like that. Nothing too crazy. Spy hits 450. The market will follow the upside. 450? Let's see. Is that a notable point? I'm assuming that's a notable point. It's my boy Worm. He knows what's up. S&P 500 pretty much is SPY. Let's see. I just want to make sure that we're straight. Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. You're completely right. You're completely right. We see the zone. We see the zone. We have this resistance here, turned into a support here. Kind of was, you know what I'm saying, a resistance here. So this is clearly like this whole thing. I would just grab all of this and just call it a zone. And yeah, I would say above 450, longs. 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 Long, 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 long. All of that. If it can reach above 450, for sure. Yeah. Then it's going to start targeting new highs. Obviously, it's going to target 480 at that point. That's where you'll be looking next. And if it breaks 480, bro, I'm telling you, if the market breaks new highs, like we're out of here, yo. We're going to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon. You feel me? But who knows if we'll get there. Plus, you see this fat, aggressive, thick, Miami BBL built red candlestick. 50 buck bulls. Yeah. Yeah. Me and rock solid resistance. Rock solid resistance. Need to break like 3 resistance points. I need news for that happen. Yeah. If we're on the same page, I would say this needs to be broken. This needs to be broken. And then this up here needs to be broken. Which is that's gonna take some news. Cause like everything in the market is like negative like sentiment. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely need some big news for that. Not big news, but news.
Fucking mother's a hoe.
Open your money.
Not you.
Oh yeah, I heard you.
Not you.
Yeah, I know. I heard you.
I'm talking to my team.
Oh. Playing some League?
Yes, and these people are. I'm just gonna go cook after this.
What you about to cook?
Some spinach pasta.
Okay. You not throwing no meat in there?
No dangle.
Okay. That's what you need to get. You need to get a bunch of just packs of like cheap meat and just be like cooking it up with your pasta, and then you know what I'm saying, you just eat on it for like 2 days, 2 to 3 days, you know? Okay, really, you get you a thing of pasta, it'd be like $3. You get you some noodles, that's like nothing. You know what I'm saying? You just hit it with salt, pepper, a little cheese. You know what I'm saying? Then just throw your meat in it. Your meat pack might cost a little bit, but that's really the brunt of it. Next thing you know, you spent $10, but you eating for like three days or so. Facts. Big facts. Yo, I can't lie though, S&P 500, especially with this little mini baby candlestick that it has here, like it looks like it's gonna drop. But I mean, like it's hard to tell. Like this candle needs to mature. So we'll definitely see tomorrow. But yeah, I mean it looks like it's gonna drop. We're at 29, so I think that means even this is it's trying to drop a little bit, yo. This is a 5-minute? Okay. Cool. We might make some money on here today, possibly. If we could get some momentum. But I still feel like it's gonna at least come up to test this like zone at some point. I don't know when, but it'll definitely come up to test it. Bro, I need a new chair. Like this chair is dumb squeaky. Like it's dumb squeaky. Like everybody said buy Facebook. Bruh, Facebook is like, you know, okay, this is what Facebook is like. Facebook is like the cool kid that everybody hates. Like the dude that's just kind of a douche, but like he's cool. So he's still hanging around the cool kids. He still gets some of the girls. Like some of the girls are actually smart and they're like, yeah, he's kind of a douche. But like, you know what I'm saying? Like, but some of them aren't smart enough to like recognize, so they just still mess with them. You know what I'm saying? But everybody knows that he's kind of an L. And then the second like something about him comes out that's kind of weak, everybody's like, oh nah, like that wasn't my friend. Like, nah, I ain't want nothing to do with him. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that's pretty much what Facebook is. Like, they're so big that it's like they're still in the gang, you know what I'm saying? They're still a gang, but it's like Facebook is kind of like what everyone wants to make fun of right now in the market. You know, never go into the hype. Absolutely. Absolutely. Bro, I remember, what was it? It was maybe 4 years ago. Like, I took a huge loss because I was trading a little bit, and my dad said something about Facebook right before they reported earnings, and a kind of a move that he was going to make. And like, I literally threw, like, this is right when I started trading. Maybe like I had maybe been trading like 7 months or something like that. And like, he was like, you know what I'm saying, all that. And I literally went in. Like, I went in, like, I was so confident. I went in so hard. And man, my account took such a loss. I swear I took like a 30 or 40% loss on my account at that point in time. All because of a Facebook, you know what I'm saying? They reported earnings, and it just shoo and just killed my account, bro. So ever since then, you know what I'm saying? Like, that was one of the big instances that had me kind of like, don't really trade based off of what other people think. Definitely take it into account, but don't trade off of it. And also, like, you may not want to play too much into those plays where news, is going to throw the market either way. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just had the video on the dude who lost all that money when he was trying to play like a rocket launch. And it's like, bro, if you don't know how the rocket launch is gonna go, or you don't have a really good idea of how it's gonna go, why would you trade like a certain type of way where your account can either just go up a bunch or down a bunch? Like, bro, that's gambling. Like, you feel me? Like, that's gambling, and gambling is not how you make money in this game. It's really not. Like, the stock market is not gambling. Like, I hate when people say that, because people can turn it into gambling, and people who do, once they lose their money, then they want to go tuck their tail, and then they want to sit there and be like, bro, it's gambling. Like, no, bro. Every time I've lost money in the market, for the most part, like over time, like, when I say over time, I mean like throughout a week, a month, or something. It never had to do with the market, like just being random or anything. It was all me, my mindset, lack of risk management, lack of sticking to your plan, anything like that. It never had anything to do with, like, you know what I'm saying, the randomness of the market. Not even news that popped in. Because if you have a stop loss and bad news pops in, and your stop loss is actually tight, it's actually risk managed, then, like, bro, you already know you're about to lose that amount of money. Like, it doesn't make sense to me. Like, it's just, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Oh, you know what I mean? You trying to chuck? Oh! Swaggy P has a live trade, y'all. Swaggy C. What is it? Swaggy C? Oh, Swaggy P is the real Swaggy. Like, Swaggy C is the bootleg version. But bro, okay, we're up $32. Let's go. Let's go. That's nice. Bro, I have to, bro. We gotta peep, bro. We gotta peep, bro. Let me close that out. Hold on, let's I was an old timer. I was up. Wait, hold on. Hey, what up, Candace? What up, my boy Candace has. Hey, y'all gotta check out my boy A Candace though, for real though, for all the reaction videos. Like, bruh, y'all gotta check out my boy A Candace, aka Broadband, who has just entered the chat. People, you already know what I'm saying. But A Candace, I hope you've been doing well, bro. I'm trying to see you soon, for real. He said it was an old timer. I was up 3,300, then it fell back to 1,200 the next day after the merger was announced. Ooh, Worm. Damn, Worm. I feel like LCD is just a day trader's playground. Bro, I can't stand, bro. Wait, hey, Worm, let me know if that's a ticker symbol. But yeah, hey, Candace has entered the chat. I hope you've been doing well, my guy. I still gotta talk to you on the phone, bro. Like, I haven't talked to you in a minute. And you know Josh lives like extremely close to me now, so like, bro, like, whenever Jock's around and everything, bro, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, me and Josh like dumb close to each other and stuff now, bro. So it's lit. It's lit, bro. It's hype. Why you saying that? Don't make me get you. I'm gonna get you.
Don't get me.
You need to stop. Are you trying to hit this truck?
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all, for real though, if y'all trying to check out like music reactions, just video reactions in general, and just all types of stuff like that, like definitely check out my boy Broadband. He's going crazy. I don't know, how many subscribers do you have now? I'm sure he has a lot. Yeah, bro, it's building, bro. I was going crazy, bro. I lost a lot of money last week though. Like I lost a lot of money, bro. I doubled the account in 2 weeks, bro. I was at like 700. At one point, at my tip top, I was at like $800, like maybe 3 weeks in or something. And then, bro, I went crazy. I broke all my rules. I didn't do anything I was supposed to, so I lost a whole bunch of money. But now we're getting it back right now. You know what I'm saying? So we're up. We're probably up about 490 right now, maybe $500. But let's be real here. 60% gains or something like that within a month is absolutely amazing. Those are great gains, and they're absolutely blessed. The stock market and hedge funds are trying to get about 10 to 20%, something like that. So anytime I can do better than that is absolutely amazing. Yeah, bro. But y'all definitely check out Broadband. He's doing crazy stuff over there. Dre, you trying to hit this child, girl? Girl, why you look like that? Yeah, bro. Exactly. Aaron knows, bro. I was at 720, bro. Bro, it was so bad. Literally, there was news that came out. I tried to trade on the news, which was dumb. That's against like my like normal trading formula. And you know, this is kind of like a play account. It's like a kind of like YouTube. Like I wanted to make the money for the fans. You know what I'm saying? Like I wanted to make it for the people. You know what I'm saying? So then I took a trade. Didn't use a stop loss, no risk management, lost that one, boom. Then I went back and I was like, all right, I'm gonna reverse the trade, lost that one again, no risk management, boom. Then I woke up that Friday morning and I was like, forget it. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna do what I'm gonna get this guap. So then no thought into it, went back into another one. Lost that, and then went into the weekend, and boom, the account was at like 380. I think the account made it down to like 380, 370 or something. So we just been sitting in, you know what I'm saying, sitting in here, cooling, just getting it back. That's what we doing right now. We just getting it back, running it up real quick. But yeah, bro, it's crazy. Like, I just have to remember, bro, that like even I gotta take this account serious. It's not like my big accounts or anything, so I kind of like to have fun with it, but like I want to take this serious because I do want to get this account real nice and big for the channel. All that stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you ready? Man, why you look like that? You look like something out of a horror film. Like, dang, you got like the whole camera, like, so you can just see your hair is like a bunch of like just darkness around you, and then like what is that? What is that? Right, chat? We about to get this money back, right, chat? What? You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Clank. But our boy Swaggy C apparently has some gold for us, y'all. Bro, it just reeks of guru. Ah! Bro, y'all don't let me get no clout on YouTube. I swear I will be coming for all these people's heads. Bro, Swaggy C does not trade like that, bro. You can tell. All right, let me stop. Let me stop. It's facts, though. It's facts, though. Bro, it's not trade like that. Bro, I'm just saying, all I'm saying is, bro, I don't care how much money I make on YouTube. Yeah, I'll flex a little bit and everything, but bro, come on, bro. You doing the most. Like, you doing the most. When the NGB t-shirts coming out? I do want some, just for myself, so I have something to wear every stream. You know what I'm saying? But nobody's trying to buy no NGB t-shirts right now. I wish, but whenever I decide to make them. Well, let's see, though, because this is the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? It's not like he's a reality TV star, because if you guys didn't know, Swaggy C was literally on Big Brother. Like, he's definitely a reality TV star. He actually proposed to his wife on national TV. Like, how many people get to actually propose on national TV? But hey, you know, he made it all off the markets though. We're a no judgment zone over here. He made it all off the markets. You feel me? Make sure you buy the Swaggy C course, by the way. You know what I'm saying? That'll run you $300. You know what I'm saying? So you can learn what supports and resistances are. That will run you $300 so you can learn what supports and resistances are. Let's continue. You said what? Duh.
Because I got a few pieces of drip on. That's what we doing now. People making stereotypes because I got a few pieces of jewelry on. Don't.
Bro, that's like saying if I walk through the hood with my pants sagging and everything, like, they're not gonna think I'm a G. Like, if I walk through the hood with a gold chain on, I'm riding in a Hellcat, I got a light-skinned girl with me, and I'm smoking a 3.5 backwood, like, people aren't gonna assume that I'm some type of trap lord. Like, bro, come on, like, bro, come on, just stop, bro. Like, bro, I'm on you. Hey, what up, my boy? AJ, by the way, what up? Welcome back, bro. I remember you. Welcome back. Good evening, man. Hope you're having a great day. If you had any trades or anything, I hope they all went well. We just over here guru roasting right now.
That got nothing to do with nothing. I just felt like saying that, and we're off to the video.
Music kind of jiggy though.
So let's get right into the video. For my academy, and I told them exactly what GA would do, where it was gonna go to, where to get in, where to put their stop loss, where to put their take profit. Looking at GA, if I can go to the 4-hour time frame, just compare them folks.
Oh, we about to get them good details, bruh. But don't y'all think it's a little like, bro, I feel like, what is it? What is that quote? It's like, you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. You teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime. Why are you telling people where they need to trade, where they need to put their stop loss? I hate this aspect of YouTube. I'm about to get mad. This is why I made this channel. Because people is out here faking, bro. You're a reality TV. Bro. Alright. Let me relax. Let's see where we at, chat. Alright. It done moved up on us. We up $22. Alright. We getting back. You know, I'm going to take my emotions out of it. Alright. I'm ready. Yo, $20 says he's going to draw a regular trend line. Like, just a trend line and say, oh, it may bounce off of here. If it breaks off of here and retraces back to here. Like, bro, come on. We all know this, bro. That'll be $300 for the course. Hold on, let me turn it so y'all can hear what he's saying.
This time, GA, if I have this line right here, could head all the way down to 186.5, basically. People may ask, where am I trying to get in at? Right here, literally right here.
This is ridiculous.
No, I don't want to write trend line, sorry. Stay off strong mode. If price can give me a close below here, I'd be very, very happy. Not a break below.
Short on S&P since last night. Got a few positions. Wait, hold on. Shout out my boy AJ. He went short S&P yesterday, which means he probably made some good money. Got a few positions open on GBP USD that aren't really moving yet. Hope you have a good day today. Oh yeah, that's what's up. There probably is no more Fed cocaine money. Shirty, what you mean Fed cocaine money? What you mean? I know Powell's not just like, you know what I'm saying, like pumping money into the industry, just pumping money into our country right now. But what you mean by the cocaine? Bro, you're going to have to elaborate for me, bro. But, hey, shout out, you know what I'm saying, claps out to him. He went short S&P. We were all saying S&P probably would, you know, go short, but we weren't ready yet. We weren't too confident in it. So You know what I'm saying? And all of that. So good moves going short on it. Let's see what Swaggy P talking about.
I will be looking to get into the trade because then it's telling me that, okay, this is a great lower high. It doesn't even take this high out. Great. So just so you guys know for clarification, if you guys see me in a trade later, if I post it in the group chat on the timeline, or you guys are wondering where am I trading, I'm telling you right now, that if price breaks below here and does not take this high out, this would be my stop loss, just maybe a few pips above that. This is probably let's just say 1.89650, let's just say, right? 1.89650 would be my stop
Yeah,
loss.
man. Oh, man, you already know, bro.
Put a trend right here. This would probably
Hey,
be my
when you
stop
make
loss.
smart moves, you already know we calling it out in the channel. As long as I know, you know what I'm saying?
We look at all the time where manipulation happens and all of a
You
sudden,
need to stop.
You're in a trade. The broker, everybody knows your stop loss would probably be right above the last high because it's structured, which is why I always give myself way more leeway and not put it directly above here. Because how many times have you guys seen, like, let's say your stop loss was above here, or let's say your stop loss is right here right now. You guys seen over
Bro.
and again, price will come up.
Bro, I can teach y'all all this for the free, bro.
That's it. Just tap it and then go all the way to where you want to do it.
Bro, that's like just what
This entrepreneur
bro.
brand logo was done
Here's
by
the
a top
thing, bruh.
freelancer on Fiverr.
He's
Simply-
wildin'.
I know I've never done such a thing.
Why
like
would
that
anybody
before
need
in
to
my
pay to
years.
know
I'm
that,
leveling
though?
up in 2022, and I'm gonna share my screen. I'm gonna put my glasses on and stop acting like I can see y'all with the glasses.
My boy Big Loud in the show. My boy Big Loud has entered the chat. Y'all better not be playing with Big Loud. You know what I'm saying? He's entered the chat. What up, Big Loud? I hope you've been having a great day.
Glasses off because I'm blind. You already know the deal. Let me share my screen, man. Sharing screen now. So we're looking at GA, and I have a 3-lot on. We are about to be up.
Okay, he went short in a downtrend, and then he threw. He went short in a downtrend, and then he threw his stop loss right above the last high.
Any area potentially right here. We're stopped here. We can do
Good.
it right here. We have this trend line right here just to balance this out. It could come right here, and if it does that, then it's another lower high where I can obviously move my stop loss, which would pretty much be at this 800 level. And I'm going to show you guys exactly, because price was not even here at all when I did my webinar. I said, this is where it's going to go. This is exactly what it's going to do. So, and I want people to also, I have all my alerts right here, right? I want people to also remember, a break and retest is only important, in my opinion, aside from the confirmation, the confluences, it's only important because it gives you an extra lower high or a higher low, right? So I did this example on the Academy. I said
Break and retest are the goats. They're the goats. They're the behemoths of the game.
I said, what were to happen, right? If, let's say, this was a major barrier.
Honestly,
right?
I have to disagree with him here, because I would say that break and retests are just much more higher probability trades than going off the break of supports or the breaks of resistance. You know, like, a lot of times we aren't patient enough, I would say, to wait for, you know what I'm saying, the actual retest of, you know what I'm saying, we see like a resistance get broken, we want to go long, you know what I'm saying, we see a support get broken, we want to go, you know what I'm saying. But I would say that's like the best entry you can get is when it's a retest. He said clown on him, bro. Hey, Big Loud, trust me, I done already went in on Swaggy C, the Forex guru. Like, go ahead and pay that $300 to hear what essentially, like, we just talk about in here every day. Like, bro, wild. You're wild. Y'all be wondering how he got that chain. Like, boy, that chain looking nice. Your subscribers, baby, trying to eat, bruh. And bruh, subscribers, baby, can't eat tonight because he was trying to buy the course. But yeah, AJ, yeah, break and retests are always going to be better than a simple break of resistance or a break of support. So I understand what he's saying. He's saying basically like it's an additional place to put your stop loss, but he's not really saying that it's a much better trade. When realistic, a lot of better traders, like my boy, what is his name? Hold hold on. Let me find him real quick. What is it? He's not a guru. What is his name? Dave. Let's see if I can find him. There we go. Day trading addict. He'll you know what I'm saying, like this guy right here. I'm not gonna go all into, you know, his stuff and everything because we about to roast Swaggy C right real quick. But yeah, like he pretty much trades like retests or retracements. But yeah, like I mean, and yeah, like could Swaggy C be making some money trading? Absolutely. Like I'm making money trading. I've been doing it for over a year. So could I see somebody else making money trading? Absolutely. But bro, charging all this money for groups, all of that, just so you can teach. Technical analysis is the easiest thing to learn in trading. These courses don't teach you anything about the psychology that it takes to trade. Like, and they don't really, they present it in a way that's false. They present it in a way that's fake. You're not going to be trading for a little bit and all of a sudden you can buy all these chains and this house and stuff that he has unless you either, one, have a fat sack of money sitting around that you get to trade with, or two, you're taking your subscribers' money and you're buying it. Like, boy, stop. Boy, get out of here, boy. Like, boy, what? It's wild. It's wild out here, bro. It's crazy.
This major level out, and this is a major barrier. And price breaks through.
We're getting a little bit of support.
Yeah, that's more confirmation that it's going to come down. It's going to hold
price
firm.
move up.
But it's more realistic
tries
that
to retest the trend.
This is now a lower high, right? This is the lower high we've been waiting on because you can't enter right here, because price hasn't retraced yet. But when price comes all the way down, right, market is going, and it comes up, and it finally gives you that retracement, basically the retest, and it continues on. Now that is where, you know, your new stop loss would be. Market is creating structure within itself, and you abide by the structure. So I saw it clear as day, and it comes down to experience. I had all the questions in the academy, like, how do you know?
But it's like he's saying this like that's where your stop loss would be. He's saying it like he's already into the trade, right? Either way, I mean, this would be a good trade to go short on. Like anyone with a brain should be able to see that. Well, like inflation has eroded asset prices. Goodbye, bulls. Yeah, I mean, wait, inflation hasn't I gotta know what you mean by that. You know what I'm saying, Sergi? You correct me if I'm wrong on the name too. I don't want to be like mislabeling people or anything like that. But if inflation has eroded, which would mean it's breaking down, it's eroded asset prices. What up, my boy Zer? But what up, bro? Yeah, I've been seeing you around. Like, hey, shout out my boy Zer. Everybody tell that man hello. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to him in the chat. But inflation has eroded assets prices. If inflation is up, then assets are essentially up for the most part. If the housing market has a lot of inflation, then you get to sell your house for more. Any products that you would have or anything like that, any material goods that you would have, if the dollar is, you know what I'm saying, worth less, then you get to sell everything for more. So I would say, you know what I'm saying, earnings will go. Earnings for who, though? Or you just mean like, well, company earnings could go up. I don't know if I agree with you. Inflation only erodes currencies. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I'm saying, like, Sergi, I don't know if I agree with you. Like, if companies get to sell their products for a lot more than they're really worth because inflation is high, then they're making more money than they normally would be making if inflation was at a normal level. So I actually can say I don't agree with that. Maybe elaborate more, but I would say for right now I don't agree with that. Like I would say I agree with AJ. Inflation only erodes currencies because if you have $1 and you can go and get 2 girls with your $1, you know what I'm saying, and then the next day you know what I'm saying, you can only get 1 girl with your $1, then bro, I need to stop. I'm being a fool. But you feel me though? Then your dollar is worth less, which would mean your currency, like he said, it erodes, which means breakdown. Then your currency would be going down, and that would mean that your dollar is worth less because you could get 2 girls and now you can only get 1 girl. You feel me? So yeah, bro. I mean, I don't know. You might want to it just said bro, I need to stop. Bro, YouTube gonna start, bro. I don't think I can get too many views, y'all. Or like sometimes I be saying like wild stuff, bro. And YouTube not gonna be like messing with me, bro. Like some of these stuff I think I'll be taking it too far. But yeah, like I can't, you know what I'm saying? I can't co-sign that, Sergi. I honestly, if I was you, I would recommend you like, you know, try to think the way that we're thinking. Like AJ, Big Loud, Zer, you know what I'm saying? Because it'll probably benefit you in your trading, like, because you know what I'm saying. Definitely not like that. That probably won't be working. But you did say you've been shorting inverse funds and making all kinds of money, but that doesn't. That doesn't have anything to do with like the inflation. I don't think. Clank.
I said it last week, and I want LJ, my videographer editing this video. I want him to put my last week webinar.
Nobody has any more money, so they have to cut their spending. They won't be buying the things they have before.
Hey, GA is going to get to 1.88.
You're right.
And it did.
You're right in that aspect. You're right in that aspect, but that's like the next level of it. When we thought you were talking about it, we thought you were talking pretty much like prices are inflated, so people can't sell things at a higher price. What happens and why inflation can't get too high is because of what you're saying, yes. But yeah, the reason we spoke the way we were, Sergi, is because we were kind of thinking you know what I'm saying? We were kind of thinking based off of what you said. Whereas if inflation gets out of hand, then what you're saying now happens. You know what I'm saying? He said, "Wire, Big Loud, stop, bro." Big Loud, stop. He said, "Why are companies beating earnings though?" See, the reason why we already know companies are beating earnings though is because they're being able to sell their products at a higher price and the market hasn't evened out to a point where the customer actually stops buying. But yes, you're right, Sergi. At a certain point where inflation gets so crazy and prices are so high and I go and I'm trying to buy a PlayStation and that PlayStation is $1,000, I will be like, absolutely no, I'm not spending my money here. You're right on that. You're definitely right on that. But the question is, has the United States reached that point where inflation is so high that people aren't spending money? And I don't think we're there. I don't think we're there yet. I don't think we're there. But you are right for that aspect, Sergio. I want to call you Sergio. You may have to correct me on how to say it. Is it Sergi? I don't want to mess up your name or anything like that. But yeah, and also thanks for like joining into the chat too. Like we're here to have good conversation and everything. So I actually really like that you came in and you're like saying like how you feel and all of that. And you're actually speaking facts to a good degree. You're honestly thinking one step ahead. Like you're thinking like, okay, if inflation raises too much, then people aren't going to buy anymore. And then like companies will lose money because they're not selling their products because their products are at too high of a price. Obviously, you know what I'm saying? Gold has gone crazy 2 days ago, bro. I haven't seen gold. Hey Zer, if you know, can you possibly throw the ticker symbol down for gold, please? I don't know it. That's why I'm asking. But that would be great. And then I'll check it out and everything. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. I do think we will get to a certain point. Sergi and Big Loud. I do think, and AJ Slick. I do think we will get to a certain point where inflation will get so crazy, and I do think, yeah, a certain amount of Americans have kind of probably cut back just because, you know, everything is so high, prices are so high, gas is so high. But just because companies are beating earnings so much, like Big Loud was saying and everything like that, I don't think, and you know, we're Americans, like, bro, like, we hate talking about money. Like, if you ask somebody how much they make, it's so taboo, you know, all of that. So, I don't think we're necessarily at that point yet where inflation is so high that Americans are like, no, I'm not going to buy the product. I think we're, like, at the point where we'll complain about it, but we'll still buy it. You know? And yeah, I think this is a really good conversation. Shout out, honestly, Sergi. I have no idea how to say that, bro. Like, I don't know if it's the E and the I that has me a little messed up. I get the surge, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to you because you honestly are bringing a perspective that does make sense, and I do definitely understand where you're coming from, and I like it because it brings conversation into the channel. So I think that's all really good. And Zer, if you could send me that, if you know that ticker symbol for gold, I would love to get that. You said gold's gone crazy. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it. Y'all gotta stop. Y'all making me play too much. Y'all gonna get me banned on YouTube playing around in here. They gonna see me. Y'all gonna see me get too lit or something, and I just throw a chair or something, and then all of a sudden like YouTube takes me off. Like YouTube's like, yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? He's teaching about finances. He's just having good conversation about finances and everything. But he low-key threw a chair into a wall. So that's violence. We're gonna shut this down. But then again, I was seeing on Fresh and Fit, if you guys know what that is, like Fresh and Fit, like somebody just got like punched in their face. There was some crazy stuff going on. Like Tommy Sotomayor or whatever, he just got punched in the face on YouTube Live. Like, it's like crazy. I'm like, damn, it's serious out here on these YouTube streets. Like, I wish somebody would try to punch me in the face on some YouTube clout, like on some YouTube beef, like, bro, what? Like, I'm gonna keep it to making videos. I'm gonna just make a video on you. I ain't trying to do all that. Y'all never catch me out here in the streets trying to address some type of beef. I ain't got nothing to prove. Dre, what you doing? Oh, you cooking? Ah, that is the ticker. You're right. And the second it popped up too, like, I remembered that was it for gold. Yeah, I like that. Sergi, you don't have to retract any messages, bro. We all good here, bro. Honestly, bro, I like having you. I like having you in the chat, bro. Like, I definitely like having you in the chat because you kind of brought, you know what I'm saying? You kind of brought us, honestly, to that next level. Like, you made us kind of think about, you know what I'm saying, what will happen, in my opinion, after this, like, should this inflation get too bad? So I definitely appreciate that, bro. I don't want you to think like we're like coming at you or anything like that, because we're definitely not. You know what I'm saying? We're just, you know what I'm saying, we're just kind of refuting like kind of like how inflation, you know what I'm saying, how inflation kind of works. So I definitely don't want you to feel like that type of way. Like I said, bro, this is safe place, bro. Safe place. And I really mean that. Gold went crazy? Wait, let's go on like the hour. Bro, gold did go crazy. Bro, gold has been boosting up. Nobody told me about this? AJ. Shout out to AJ. How did I not know about this? Wait, what's the overall trend? Bro, gold is on an uptrend. Broke that. Gold is on an uptrend. Look at the 1 day. Yeah, the 1 day. Yep. Maybe something like this. Wow. Shoot, who's trying to buy it? Yeah, it definitely broke out. Gold definitely broke out. Are people finally, see, this makes me wonder, like, are people finally getting to the point where they're like, well, shoot, forget the market, forget Bitcoin, forget Ethereum, forget GME, GameStop, call options. I had to say it. Call GameStop call options, Wall Street bets, you know what I'm saying, chicken tendies. But if you guys know what I mean by chicken tendies, it's like Ricky Gutierrez and all of them. They focus on buying like chicken tendies. Is this bad? People are buying gold. It is bad. When people are buying gold, you know the market is. I don't want to use the word. Y'all know the word. The market is effed. Like, come on. Like, when people buy gold when they need an asset that they know will be very stable. Like, that is why you buy gold. Like, exactly. Let's go. I love my chat. Big Lau, you are talking. He said, is it bad? He was right, because it is bad because people use gold as a hedge because they know that the market's going to be volatile. And the market, if it's going to be volatile, you buy gold because it's going to hold its price. I love my chat. Y'all are smart, bro. Y'all are smart, bro. It happened during yesterday's Asian session. It's crazy, Zer. Zer? I don't know how you could even tell me if it's Zer or Zer. I would love to say it right, especially since I be seeing you around. I definitely don't want to be butchering your name or anything like that. Like, I want to put some respect on your name, bro. But yes, I would say with gold having an increase like this is definitely bad. It's bad for the market. Gold is what people buy when they're like, I want something that's really, really stable and can't be affected by banks, because gold is essentially it's a rock. Like, it's a mineral. Like, the government can't decide, like, the rock is worth whatever people decide to bid. Like, the government can't just decide, okay, we're selling gold for $1,000 like per pound or anything like that. Like I don't know like what the measurements are on that, but you get my point though. So yeah, that's definitely bad, and that's definitely a negative move for the market, I would say, with gold increasing like that. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Oh, we're up 31%. I mean, not 31%, $31. I like it. Dre, you want to hit a chuck? 28. So this thing is slowly progressing up. I mean, I really would like to see another bounce off of this trend line before I really I'm like, yeah, I might be able to make some money off of this. We see it starting to, you know what I'm saying, kind of get a little relief, that kind of thing going on. But, we'll just have to see. We obviously have a little bit of support. Support here, support here. We got a little bit of resistance here. You know, my stop loss is up here. I'm going to move that down, by the way. Just so, like, you know what I'm saying? Just so I don't end up losing any money. But we'll figure that out. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Y'all see that? Chat! 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 What happened? Chat! Yeah, bro. Your YouTube channel is really starting. Whoa! My YouTube channel is starting to pop like this green candlestick that we have right now. Look at this. What happened? Did some news break? Let me check. Like, did news break? AJ said WTF. Like, bro. Wait, let me see. Like, what do I type in? Like, to see, like, something happened, y'all. Something just happened. Chat, what happened? Where's the news? Zer said WTF2. Something's going on. What do I do? What do I... no, I'm just playing. I know exactly what to do. I'm going to keep doing exactly what I'm doing, which is absolutely sitting here and relaxing. But I'm like... somebody definitely, like, you know what I'm saying? Stop hunters. Yeah, bro. They're targeting all those stop losses, bro. They honestly probably are expecting people to have a stop loss like right here. The way they're looking, they're probably at some point going to start targeting these stop losses here. And then if it continues down, then it'll just continue down. I'm not, you know, this isn't anything to me. He said bet it comes down. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, bro. I wonder, is it going to close? Actually, we're at 34. We only have 1 minute left. It may close relatively high. He said check the 1 minute. Whoa! Like Mario, wahoo! Alright, you trying to hit this, Chuck Drea? The market just went crazy.
1 second, let me just drain my pasta.
Like we was just up like 30 US. Now we up like 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going crazy right now. Like something. I think a bank bought. Like no, a bank. Wait, is it bought or sold? I'm trying to think. Market went up, so that means they sold. Yeah. A bank did something. A bank placed a trade. Somebody big did something. Either there's only 2 scenarios where this type of stuff happens. Either a bank or a bank or a hedge fund makes a trade, or some news comes out. You say you would have got stopped out? I feel you, bro. Yesterday, I literally got stopped out on the big candle. It wasn't as big as this one, but I did get stopped out on a relatively big candle that kind of reminds me of this one a little bit. So, I mean, I feel it. But I feel like we're watching, like, we're on the 1 minute right now. Like, I feel like we're watching, like, a rocket launch right now. Like, is this going to continue up? Is it going to go down? It looks like it's trying to continue. Like, or something like that. Let's see. I'm not cutting my trade yet. I know that. Especially off of no dumb, quick momentum like that, bro. I'll eat that, bro. Wait, let me... I'm about to go back to the 1 minute, but I just want to see what it looks like on maybe like the hour. Okay. Ah, it did break that trend, though. Ah. Ooh, that's interesting. That is a little scary for me at that point, though. Ah, but it didn't break the 4-hour trend, though. Interesting. This is interesting, people. I'm curious to see how this plays out. Jay, what you doing?
You ready?
Yeah. All right. Clank. I don't know if y'all hear this chair squeaking, but listen. Oh, they don't want to do it now. But we getting some rejection. No news. That's what I'm saying. Like, it doesn't sound like no news. I think somebody just took a big, like, a big order. I almost said big. I think somebody just took a big order, y'all. This candlestick may just get eaten up, honestly. Somebody may have just had too many shares and they wanted to get them off or something like that. Or they just wanted to... No, they would have wanted to buy. Yeah, they would have wanted to buy. Just fade it once the bull is second. Trying to not break even. Yeah, big guys come. Yeah. Yeah, these are the big boys. These are like... This is where, like, you know what I'm saying, retail traders like us just kind of sit and watch, like, okay, what's going to happen? You feel me? Like, bro, chat, I wish I had this type of influence on the market. You know what I'm saying? I set an order. I set a buy order and like a fat candlestick just pops up. Like, oh, man. Bro, we need to get this Jordan hedge fund going. You know what I'm saying? Nah. I do not trade other people's money. Causes too much anxiety. I love trading my own money. Love trading my own money. I could not imagine moving like millions or billions of dollars to somebody else's money. It would make me start trading abnormally, and then I would probably start losing money. And like I said, I've only been profitable for about 1.5 years or so, so that's not something I'm about to risk. Like, you know what I'm saying? I like being able to make money on the market, and there's not much that would allow me, you know, that would put me in a position to try to risk that possibility. You make copy trade? My move the market. Make copy trade. Slick. But it's like every time I try to play big plays like that and everything, I end up losing money. That's really like the news that came out with inflation last week. That's what started me losing all of that money. Like, I saw the market like shoot down, And I was like, okay, obviously inflation is way too high, so the market's gonna shoot down. And so like when it did shoot down, I was like, bet. So then I went short, and then like all of a sudden that candle got absolutely absorbed, yo. And then I tried to go long, and then at that point, like I completely lost my mind, and it was just ignorant trading, like no stop loss. Like I was just kind of like going with the flow, just bad. I don't know. And bam, 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 bam. Hey Dre, I'm about to finish this if you want to.
I finished mine.
Oh. Okay, girl. Okay. Inflation is good news for currencies. It encourages interest rate hikes. You're absolutely right, AJ. Lucas Allen. What up, what up? Bro, it's been a minute since I seen you. It's been a minute. Hey, everybody shout out Lucas Allen. I haven't seen this man in a minute. But yeah, AJ, you're completely right. Inflation is definitely good news because it encourages interest rate hikes. Inflation is too high. The best way to combat that is to put in some interest rates, because if interest rates are high, people, you know what I'm saying, aren't going to have as much money. Basically, they won't be spending as much money, which will then have to bring the prices down. Yep. You said what format you trading on? I'm trading in TradingView. The only really indicator that I'm using right now is which I slick don't even have on right now. But the only real indicator that I use is the 200-day EMA, and the platform I use is you know what I'm saying, just what is it? Forex.com. Yep. Yep. Do I watch Ahmed? Do I know who that is? I know of a lot of the gurus. So maybe I do. I don't really watch. I had my whole like thing, like I watch guru. It depends. It depends on who he is. Let's see. I'm looking it up, bro. Ah, interesting channel. My computer hasn't even loaded yet, but I'm liking the vibes. Let's see.
So bored at home.
Oh, bro, I think I actually reacted to one of his videos. His videos are funny. Yeah. Yeah, this dude is an absolute goat. He's an absolute behemoth. He does analysis too. His channel is oh, I'll put it here so you guys can see. Just shout out Ahmed Daniel. If I may have whiffed that up, but hey, I'm shouting you out, you know. Am I a scalper? Yeah, I would call myself a scalper slash. I'm really a swing trader, to be honest. I'm really a swing trader. Yeah. So he makes the shorts and yeah. Yo, this dude is a behemoth, yo. Like he's a goat. Let's see. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna leave this on because I low-key gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back, chat.
I mean, sure, I paid less for auto insurance, but I worried if the coverage was good enough.
I don't know if this is too loud. Like, y'all gotta help me with the sound and stuff too, but I'll be right back.
Get your quote now.
Andrea, don't be talking to the chat like that. You can say hello. That's fine. Oh, she's not even there. What you doing?
Hi, everybody.
Oh, there she goes.
How's everybody doing today?
Easy. You tripping, bro. You tripping.
I love the music, bro. What I just walk into? Bro, what did I just walk into? I don't know if that video was funny. I'm assuming it was probably kind of funny, honestly. Yeah, he's an absolute goat, though. Bruh, I don't know. Well, I do know, because I've been there. I feel like, I don't know how people risk like hundreds of thousands of dollars in one trade. But I've definitely been in that point where I've seen like 5, 10, 20, 30K and you just like risk. I've been there. I've seen that. You know what I'm saying? So I can understand that aspect. You know what I'm saying? But when it starts getting into the hundreds, like I don't really know. Honestly, I would say it's a mindset thing. It's like when you're trading, you know? Like your account's at $300, you're like, okay. You know what I'm saying? It gets into 600 and then you're like, wow, like this is big gains, but then all of a sudden 600 doesn't seem like a lot. Then 1,000 doesn't seem like a lot. 2,000 doesn't seem like a lot. And so on and so forth. You feel me? What is this gonna do? Is this the start to an uptrend? Extremely high risk. Extreme. That's not even high risk. That's extreme risk. Like, bro, you know, really, you should be risking 2 to 3% a trade. I'm more aggressive in this account, for sure. Like, I'll risk maybe 8-ish, 8 to 10. I risk like 10% in this account, but when I win, I'm trying to get like 50. Like 50, 60. I'm trying to get big gains in this account. You know what I'm saying? That type of thing. I'm really interested. Like, is this looks like it's kind of trying to build some type of support. Like, this may be the start to an uptrend, possibly. He said low 5 figures. Yeah, you throw it all. Yeah, it really depends on, like, how much you're using. But that's a bad thing. The mentality should really be the same. Whether you're using $100, $100,000, $100,000, $1 million, $10 million, really the mindset should stay the same. Ryan Douglas, new guy. Hey, shout out Ryan Douglas, everybody. Am I in this trade right now? Yeah, I'm in this trade right now. We were up about $30, and then this crazy candlestick came out of nowhere. Now we're up about $8.80, $9. Yep. So that's kind of where we're at right now. The account's at probably I don't know. Probably it's probably at about 470, 475, 480 maybe. But yeah, I'm definitely in this trade right now. I'm short. I went short way earlier. Way earlier. Back in the consolidation, I went short. Now we're seeing this could honestly just be like a break and retest. That's what I should hope. You know what I'm saying? We'll just kind of see what happens. I'm definitely gonna move my stop loss a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to lose money off of this if all of a sudden it's changing trends. But this was definitely an interesting candlestick. It could be the start to an uptrend, and it looks like it kind of is. We have a lot of upwards momentum. But this could just be people trying to figure out what's going on after a bank decided to dump. Yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, Zer. I'm definitely gonna wait and see. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm definitely gonna be waiting. Plus my break even is here. I'm definitely gonna wait. Plus, like, I wouldn't put my stop loss, like, I would at the least put my stop loss above all of this noise here. Like, there's a lot of consolidation. There's a lot of resistance in here and all of that. So, I would want it to have to break all of that. You know what I'm saying? Profit goal for this trade. I don't actually necessarily have a profit goal for this trade. I more so have a how much I'm not trying to lose for this trade. But as far as profit goals, there's a couple of places that I would be looking at. Actually, I probably need to break in a little bit more. It would be probably something like here. This would be my first one. And then my second one would be probably somewhere around here. Yeah. Whole numbers. I like to play in whole numbers. I'm all about price action. As you guys know, I'm an extremely technical trader. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna see what happens. This thing is going up though. It's pushing. I wonder what's going on. It almost seems like news, or it's maybe it's just some upwards momentum. Could be. How you doing, Dre?
Good. Did you grab another brew?
No, I can grab one though.
Okay.
All right. Like Kevin Hart would say, all right. And we'll just see what's going on with this stock. Yeah, crazy movement though. Like crazy, insane green candlestick there on the 5-minute. Take profit half, take profit all. I normally do take profit alls. I honestly don't normally like do like one thing about my style is while I do see a lot of advantage and you know what I'm saying scaling up and also you know what I'm saying taking out some profit, it's just not kind of in my equation, and my equation already kind of works well for me, so I don't really change my game up too much. I kind of, as long as I'm making money, then I'm happy. You feel me? I'll be right back. This thing's pushing, y'all. Thing pushing P. Yo, this thing is... I feel like, is this news? I feel like there has to be... Something may have happened, y'all. You don't normally see this type of movement unless something's happened. Like, yeah, a hedge fund or a bank they may, you know what I'm saying, just have some shares they want to off-put or something like that. Or some shares that they've wanted to buy for a while and finally reached their price that they want to buy at. But normally it doesn't continue in this type of way. So this definitely seems like a possible reversal, honestly. I want to see how this is looking. Maybe let's see the 30-minute. Let's see. I want to scroll out a little bit. I mean, this could be just the continuation of the trend, possibly. Continuation of trend. Going up to make new highs, maybe. FX Factory. Ooh. I'm seeing so many apps. I'm on like fxfactory.com. This is interesting. What exactly is FX Factory? I'm gonna remove like all that. It's got a lot of resistance it has to break through. A lot of resistance. But this could be the start to a reversal. What you doing, Drea?
Having dinner.
Ooh, let me see it.
What?
Let me see it.
It's almost gone.
Ah, you done smashed it.
Look,
It doesn't exist anymore. You're too close to it. Okay, that looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good.
it's delicious.
It's delicious. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, see, like, is this gonna continue an uptrend, or is it, you know what I'm saying, gonna start downtrending, you know what I'm saying, hit a red candlestick so hard that it just has to continue the downtrend? Obviously, you know, I want to see some red candlesticks come in. Give me some red candlesticks. But I can obviously see when a reversal or a uptrend has possibly started. And this could definitely be the signal for an uptrend. I have my brew if you're ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
Ah, got you. See if the banks want to buy position. I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna look into FX Factory definitely like tomorrow. You said 1-2 is the best. All right, bet. I'm gonna peep that then. I definitely love like where you can kind of see like what orders the banks are putting in, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, I'm ready though.
Okay.
Clank.
Clank.
You see no news? That's what I'm saying. This is. Yeah, I mean, possibly somebody just put in a big order and now everybody's just kind of going in line with it. That's what I'm thinking. But if that's what it is, then this will probably just continue on its way down then. But if it's actually some, good, like, fundamental news, then maybe it'll rebound and everything. Oh, Ryan, I see you subscribed. Hey, appreciate you, bro. You're a real one. Shout out Ryan Douglas. Nah, but for real, shout you out. You're an absolute goat. A behemoth, if I do say so myself. Yeah, I know at 300 subscribers, I'm trying to eat some, I'm about to eat some dumb spicy wings on live. The last one, like, I wasn't doing live streams then, so I just didn't eat them on live. I wish I had of, but, you know. But, yeah. The next one, we're definitely going to be eating some spicy wings, so be ready for that. This may just be coming up to test, like, this zone here. And it could easily get some rejection. Start trying to make these lows all the way here. Here first, I would say, and then here. But, we'll just have to wait and see. Squeakiest chair of all time, I swear. Oh, so you're not gonna say BRB to me. You say BRB to everybody. You still on the phone? You still on the phone, though. Okay. Okay. You feel me, chat? Like, okay. Yeah, feel me, chat. I wonder which way, like, S&P 500 is gonna move tomorrow. Like, for real. Ooh, bruh. Big Loud, you lying. Is that DraftKings? DraftKings reporting earnings tomorrow? That's dumb exciting. Hold on. I know I got DraftKings on here. Oh, I cleaned up the list. I don't have DraftKings on here anymore. I remember. I think I got mad. I got mad and cleared out my entire list. Or I know at least on one of the streams I just like cleared out my whole list and I was like, bruh. What y'all thinking? Like DraftKings reports earnings and like makes its way into this $30 area. It's got to reporting earnings is big, you know. Okay, yeah, I'll definitely do that. It's honestly time for me to make some of that new content, cause I did make that content, but when I did, I was not like the YouTuber that I am now. Yeah, I would say when I first started, like, you know what I'm saying, I was using like the camera from my laptop and everything like that, and just all of that, and I just didn't really understand like video making or anything like that. So it is definitely time for me to like kind of redo some of those videos, kind of like make them better. You know, well, you know what I'm saying? Like they're still pretty much the same, if not good information there. But yeah, I definitely should. So Zer, yeah, shout out Zer, cause you definitely right. I definitely need to make that. I should, honestly, I need to start a series like, okay, like if you want to be like a trader, like here are in your steps, you know what I'm saying? Like you go, you know what I'm saying? You get your broker, like this is kind of how you look at trades. These are all the things you need to understand. Actually, I think that's a really good idea. Like, I may make a playlist or something that's just like a course. Like I'm about to, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to kill the industry real quick. Like, I'm gonna make a playlist that's literally a course, and it's essentially the same course that all these guys are selling. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But even better. You feel me? But even better, chat. Like, cause they're not lying to you. Cause I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm not gonna be like, you're gonna be sitting out here making 20% like a week, like every week, like, or something, like, you know what I'm saying? Just anything crazy like that. Like, bro, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, like that sounds like a pretty good idea. Yeah, but DraftKings is gonna be definitely pretty interesting to watch. But yeah, y'all, I think I'm about to call it a day. Really though, let's see where this is at. Obviously, you guys know you can keep up with kind of my trades relatively easy because I'm in them with you guys. Like, at most, you may know I may move my stop loss or something like that. But as far as this trade, like, actually, let me go on the 5 minute. As far as this trade, you kind of see where stop is at. That's a $40 loss, and I may make it a little bit tighter. It's kind of hard for me to tell right now. But this thing could be trying to bounce. That's why. That's why, guys. That's just straight technical analysis. Higher highs, higher lows. I get it now. It makes sense. It may not even have been a like big bank order. It may not have. That's straight technical analysis. Slick. How did I not catch that? That's a little ignorant of me. My bad. But there's a lot of noise up here. So we'll just have to see what happens. So it's either going to continue some type of uptrend funnel like this, or, you know what I'm saying, that kind of downwards move. I'm just trying to get... Hey Ryan, if you have any questions, like I'll answer some questions for you real quick before I hop off and everything. Dre, you trying to hit a chug? But yeah, bro, if you have any questions, I'll definitely ask them for it. And plus, bro, I'm gonna be on here, bro, and I'm just out here answering questions, all that stuff. I've already told them, like, bro, the stock market is extremely boring, and this is kind of how I get to. This is kind of how I have my love for the stock market again. Like, I had my love for the stock market. At first, I treated it like gambling when I was trading penny stocks, options, all that kind of stuff, ETFs, a lot of ETF trading. And then I got into my kind of stage where I was just not really making money. I was just kind of, you know what I'm saying, just like making a little here, losing a little there. So I was just breaking even. And then when I got to the point when I was actually making money off of the stock market, I was like, bro, this is extremely boring. Like, it's boring. You're sitting in, well, for me, it's like you're sitting in trades for like 2-3 weeks. It's like, it's cool and it's great making money and everything. Don't get me wrong, but it doesn't give you that high. Like, it doesn't give you that you know what I'm saying, that feeling, which is great. You shouldn't like be feeling that. You shouldn't be getting a gambler's, you know what I'm saying, a gambler's, you know what I'm saying, off the market. But this is kind of what made me like kind of like find my love for the market, you know what I'm saying, again and everything. And just really being able to like speak, not only speak to people about it, but also be able to help people because like I've lost tons of money in the market. Like, I've seen like what it's like to trade options. I've seen what to trade and lose money off of options, day trading, all of that. I know what it's like to lose tens of thousands of dollars off of the market. So it's just it's great to actually be able to, you know what I'm saying, kind of put people on the right path, especially when everything out here is just like glitter and gold. We in the bag stage now. Exactly. We in the bag stage now. And the bag stage is amazing, but the bag stage is also boring. It's boring. It's like, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of like when you have a kid and everything. Like, let's say your life was, like, extremely lit and everything, and it was very fun, but it was very traumatic, and you had a lot of hard times in it. But now you have a kid, and you're like, I got to do what I got to do for my kid. And, yeah, maybe it's not the most exciting life, but you understand that it's the good life. It's the life that you need to do, and it's very fulfilling for you. That's kind of how I am in the stock market right now. You know what I'm saying? What?
I can't.
Awkward pause, chat. We're just gonna forget that happened. Alright. And with that, I'm gonna probably bid an adieu. But yeah, Ryan Douglas, yeah, have no problems asking me anything, bro. I have no problem answering any of that. You can definitely just tune in and just ask it. I'll do it. I pretty much just sit here. I just sit here for a few hours, you know. We just talk about the market and see how whatever my trades that I'm in for this 300 to 30K account, how they move and all of that. Obviously, the more money we make in this account, the more we'll start spiraling. Like, if you have 1K, 2K, 3K, 5K, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, you can make a lot more money per trade, but you can also lose a lot more money per trade. So that means our journey to 30K pretty much gets faster the more money we make. So the main thing is just to make sure while the account's small that we get like a lot of good little gains. And then when it's big, we'll be able to actually spiral and start making that big money. You feel me? I'm a big lurker. I watch and try to learn. Hey, well, man, keep lurking. We got a whole bunch of great people. Honestly, there's people in this chat at this point now that you could probably learn a lot of things from too. Like my boy Big Loud, you know what I'm saying? AJ's really out here. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people in the chat. Let me shout out some people in the chat. You already know. Shout out Worm Squirm. Shout out 3DP. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Broadband. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we're still small enough to where I can go through the chat and shout out all my the real ones. You know what I'm saying? The real ones. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm a bid y'all adieu. What is it? Adieu. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys all have a great day. You already know we're gonna be streaming all the time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. It's a possibility I may stream tomorrow. It's just I know the Forex market is closed, so it's like you know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? We can always have some days where I chill, and I definitely want to have some like get more streams in. So I don't want to just be streaming from like Monday to like, you know what I'm saying, Monday to, you know, you feel me, Thursday. So yeah. Thanks for everybody who tuned in. Thanks for all the likes you guys have thrown. You've really been helping this channel grow, and I really do appreciate that and everything. And like I said, let's just get this gang going. Nice, safe place to trade stocks where we're not all talking about Lamborghinis and damn chicken tenders. Like, forget your chicken tenders. We're not out here for some dang chicken tenders. If you get that reference, okay. If you don't get that reference, look up stock market chicken tenders or something, and then probably you'll get that reference. But I hope you all have a great day. Be blessed. And, of course, as you know I always say, make sure to use a stop loss.